Hey everyone, welcome back to the Information House channel, the go-to spot for AliExpress and Amazon product reviews. And because you know I'm branching into RCFPV drones this year too, we're always on the hunt for gear that actually works. Today we've got something super useful for anyone using or exploring Linux. We're counting down the top 5 best bootable Linux USBs in 2025. Whether you're installing a new distro, running a live session, or just want a portable OS ready to go, these picks cover speed, reliability, and real-world usability. I'll walk you through what sets each one apart, and at the end, I'll share a few quick tips. What specs matter, how to pick the right one for your setup, and what to avoid so you don't end up with a slow or frustrating experience. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and ring the bell so you don't miss our upcoming drone gear reviews. Let's jump in. 5. Ugreen CM480. Boost your productivity and connectivity with the Ugreen USB-C hub 10 gigabit PX at Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 splitter, the ultimate accessory for your MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or any USB-C laptop. This sleek, high-speed multi-port adapter features 4 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, both USB-A and USB-C, delivering blazing fast 10 gigabit PSS data transfer speeds for effortless file sharing, device syncing, and more. Whether you're a content creator, professional, or gamer, this Ugreen USB-C hub keeps all your peripherals connected, from external drives and keyboards to cameras and flash drives, in one compact, durable design. Perfect for expanding your workspace without sacrificing performance or style. 4. Bojai.fast CX9301-2. Looking for a reliable way to send and receive faxes or connect to dial-up networks on modern systems? The USB Fax Modem 56K V92 with dual RJ11 ports featuring the Connexent CX9310 chipset is your perfect solution. This high-quality modem supports Windows 11, 10, 7, XP, and Linux, making it compatible with a wide range of computers. It offers caller ID, dial-up internet, and fax capabilities through your landline connection. Ideal for businesses, home offices, or legacy system setups. With plug-and-play installation via USB and stable performance backed by Connexent's trusted hardware, this modem ensures smooth, fast, and dependable communication. Perfect for anyone needing fax or dial-up functionality on newer operating systems. 3. USB Data Modem 56K Dual RJ11. Looking for a reliable and high-performance fax modem for your computer? The dual RJ11 port USB data modem is the perfect choice. Designed with dual RJ11 ports, it allows you to connect 2 fax phone lines or a telephone simultaneously for maximum convenience. Featuring the powerful Connexent 9307 main chip, it supports caller ID and is fully compatible with AT and extended AT command sets. This USB 56K external modem is incredibly easy to use, ensuring stable fax sending and receiving every time. It supports a wide range of operating systems, including Windows 98 through Windows 11, 32/64-bit, and Linux. Plus, with its built-in anti-thunder protection circuit, it offers enhanced durability and safety against electrical surges. Perfect for home offices, businesses, and anyone who needs a dependable fax and data connection solution. 2. Physicom FSC BP1119. Introducing the Physicom FSC BP119, a powerful 100-meter long-range Bluetooth 4.0 USB dongle designed for superior wireless performance and reliability. This Class 1 SMA PNP Bluetooth adapter delivers exceptional connectivity for PCs and laptops, making it ideal for applications requiring stable and extended Bluetooth communication. With plug-and-play compatibility for Windows 10 8.7, XP, Vista, and Linux, setup is effortless. Just connect and start pairing your devices instantly. Whether you're working with wireless audio, data transfer, or industrial IoT devices, the FSC BP119 ensures strong signal strength, faster transmission, and greater range. Perfect for developers, tech enthusiasts, and professionals seeking high-performance Bluetooth connectivity. 1. Wavelink WLNW34GD. Looking for a fast, reliable, and convenient way to stay connected? The Wavelink USB-C to Ethernet adapter is the perfect solution for anyone who wants blazing fast wired internet and simultaneous charging. With 95-watt power delivery, it keeps your laptop powered while ensuring a stable gigabit Ethernet connection. No more drops or lag during video calls, gaming, or streaming. This driver-free plug-and-play adapter works seamlessly with Windows 10 11, macOS 11 or later, Linux, and more, making it ideal for work, school, or travel. Its premium aluminum case ensures durability and efficient heat dissipation, while the 5 gigabits of USB-C port adds ultra-fast data transfer for your peripherals. Upgrade your connectivity today with the Wavelink USB-C to Ethernet adapter. Speed, power, and reliability in one sleek device. All right, guys, that wraps up our list of the top best bootable Linux USBs in 2025. Whether you're setting up a fresh distro, recovering a system, or just want a reliable USB for your Linux adventures, any of these drives will serve you well. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming tech reviews and comparisons. All the product links are in the description below, so check them out for the latest prices and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.